Hello and welcome back. In this video I want to show you my Bestia plugin. So this allows you to use Bestias in your game like you know from Final Fantasy X. So if you start a fight, you can select Bestias. If your character has a Bestia attached to them, so I select this one. I already set this one up, and if I call him now, you will see that my party will disappear and the Bestia will take the fight for me. And now you can attack or fight with your Bestia, and you can also dismiss it. So you can call it back and your party will be back. And yeah, so you also have different modes for your Bestias. So you can basically set it to experience or item mode, which I will show you now. So you also have this menu option for your Bestia, and you can set up a profile text. It will be the one which you use in your database. So you basically create a character for your Bestia, and as you can see, there is an experience bar. So this Bestia is allowed to either level up through the experience system, or you can give the Bestia items or gold. You can select it as you like. So maybe you want some Bestias only to level up if you give them items. Maybe will only level up if you give them gold. And others will only level up if you let them fight and get experience. So they get experience if the fight is over and the Bestia did the last blow. And now I got some items from this guy, and now you can see that I have money and I have some potions and super potions which are used to level him up. And now I give him this, and now you see for the next level it needs a potion and an elixir. So you can set it up as you want, and that's it for the overview. So to set it up, you create a new actor which will represent your Bestia. So in this case, I will just take Rosa as a Bestia to demonstrate it and hit OK. Here now you select the Bestia Summons plugin, and here you create your Bestia. So in this case, I would say Rosa is the actor. So here you select the Bestia you want to create. You can set up an unlock switch or the level up method. So if it's items or gold only, or if it's experience only, or if it's all for free. And afterwards you can select the different target levels. So in this case, if I say the level up method is an item, you set target level to 2. So to level up to level 2, we need items only. And when we select the required items, so in this case, I will say, okay, if you give her one potion in the menu, she will level up to level 2. And you can also set the gold cost, but for this little example, this will be enough. And you can also set up the different animations. So you can select an animation for the summon of the Bestia. You can select an animation for the appearing of the Bestia. And you can also select the dismiss animations. And also you can select the defeat animation. So I don't know, it's just something here. And there are also these options that you can make it attack or act immediately after you summoned it. So this, if you wait until next turn, this will mean that the enemies have a turn after it got summoned. And act immediately means if you summon it, you can select attacks directly from the Bestia. And once per battle means you can summon this Bestia only once per battle. So if you summon it and dismiss it after, you can't summon it again. And then I hit OK. And here you can select the start Bestia. So let's say I want the actor read to have the available Bestia which we created, or which we use in this case. This is Rosa. So now everything is set up that our actor read can use the Bestia command and also use this Bestia. Here you have different options to change the text or change different aspects of the system, like recovery and summon, so that your Bestia will always have full HP if they get summoned or if they keep their HP. Also to clear the effects and several other options. So now you can hit OK. And also you have the possibility to add a Bestia with a plugin command. So if you select the Bestia Summons plugin, you can use Summon Bestia to automatically summon a Bestia in game at the start of fight, or if you want to summon the Bestia from the start, so as you like. And here is the option to add Bestia. So if you find or get a new Bestia, you can select the actor, which is the new Bestia. So in this case, I would say Elliot. And then you can add them to either specific characters or all Bestia users. So in this case, you can use specific, and I will say read, and Priscilla will get the Elliot Bestia. And afterwards, I will just start the fight. And if you start the fight now, or set it up to fight and start the game, you will see that we have the Bestia command. We can select Rosa or Elliot in this case for read, because I gave him the Rosa Bestia over the plugin parameters as a starting Bestia, and Elliot got added later by the plugin command from this little event here. And now I will select Rosa and summon her. And the attack from other players, if Priscilla is faster now than Reed, then she will make her attacks first, and afterwards the Bestia will get summoned. If he's faster, then the summon will appear and her attack will be cancelled. So let's see what happens. So yeah, she could attack first. And now you can see the animation. And now we have summoned our Bestia. And now we could start to fight and yeah, let our Bestia do the work. And again, you can also dismiss your Bestia. So the animation gets called, and afterwards, yeah, the Bestia time is over. So that's it for this plugin. You can find it on itch.io, and also join the Discord if you have ideas for new plugins or want to report bugs or anything. You will find the links in the description. And so have a nice day and see ya.